Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance P&P Moving Different. The song is Different Level, the artist is Rush Turner, and the choreography is Sweet P and Hype P. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, check out the choreographer and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's go.
Don't even say too much. If you know, you know. I've been moving different lately. Same, but they feel lately. Whole vibe, elevated, baby. Why? Can't explain. Something changed me. I don't talk it, I just show it. Yeah. New doors open, I just go in. They keep watching, I stay focused. Different level, never know that. Same road, but it feels brand new. Same city, but a better view. Same people, I just see it clear. Energy shift when I step through. I ain't lying, I just let it breathe. Quiet wings, they don't notice me, but they feel it when I hit the scene. Like a glow, they can't really see. Used to stress out and roll off. Oh wait, I done shook that off. They still playing in the same spot. I done leveled, I don't say a lie. I don't force it, it's just a line. Every move right on time. They don't see it, that's fine. I've been working, but I've been moving different lately. Same me, but they feel me lately. Whole vibe, elevated, wavy. Why? Can't explain. Something changed me. I don't talk it, I just show it for hand. New doors open, I just go in. They keep watching, I stay focused. Different level, never know that. Used to not let it let me in. Used to not let it recommend. I don't flex, I just let it land. Everything coming back again. Same grind, but it hit different. Let's talk more intention. I don't chase sidetrack now, that's the real definition. They be wondering what it is. Why it look like I don't miss? I just smile, let them guess. I ain't gotta say I'm blessed. I don't force it, it's just a line. Every move right on time. They don't see it, that's fine. I've been working, but I'm moving different lately. Same me, but they feel me lately. Whole vibe, elevated, wavy, why? Can't explain it. Something changed me. I don't talk it, I just show it for hand. New doors open, I just go in. They keep watching, I stay focused. Different level, never know that. If you feel it, you don't need proof. If it's really just so true, I ain't chasing, I just let it come. Now look what I done become. I've been moving different lately. Same me, but they feel lately. Different love, different love.
That's a vibe, that's a vibe. Great job, guys. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you